Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Canvas app, how you can create an account in Canvas. So first in the URL section type canva.com and enter it. And here we can see we just landed on Canvas homepage. Now on the top right corner there's a sign up, click on that option. And here you can see a lot of options that you can use. You can continue with Google, with Facebook, with email. So I'm going to continue with my email. So you can simply type your email and select the continue option. So you are also required with your name. So simply write your name and select the create your account option. So here it says it will send you the code in your Gmail. So let's check out Gmail. And here we could see a mail from Canvas. And simply you can copy this code just like this and go to the Canvas homepage and paste it right over here. It will automatically continue. So this will also be asking you in which purpose you'll be using Canvas. So you can pick any of them. If you want to use Canva for your personal reasons, click on this option. For small businesses, you can click on this option and other options here as well. So I'm going to go with personal and click on the maybe later. So that's it guys, we just created an account in Canvas. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.